What's up, folks? Got some mail call today. Got some new knives coming in, and y'all gonna check them out with me. So this is from a company that I have never used or seen before. I seen a YouTuber get some of these. It's a company called Sitivien or Sitivien, and these are like super budget knives, and they looked great. So let's see what we got. Now there'll be links in the description, and I'll tag the products. So this is the ST116. Oh wow. It's a fantastic looking knife, and the price on these knives is crazy. Show you. It's a pretty big blade, 3.5 inch blade, overall length of almost 9 inches. Let's see. That action is, well, that was my fault. I mean, the action is pretty smooth. I like the handle. Get a really good grip on it. It's D2 steel. I believe all these are D2 steel. So that's the 116. I'm going to leave that in that box so I know them apart. This one is the ST132. This one was the first one I seen that I liked. I just like this collar scheme. So it's got a small flipper. Oh, that action's really nice. It's got a lot of oil on it. I don't know what that's from. Deep carry pocket clip. Again, it's D2 steel. So this one feels a lot sharper than that one. But that's just an amazing looking knife. I kind of like their logo. It's got that fuller in it. Again, this is another big blade, about 3 inches, 3.5 inches, with an overall length of 8 inches. I mean, this is, for the price of these knives, I mean, these knives feel great. Obviously, we'll have to test them and see how they hold up. That action is really smooth. Let's see what's next. This one is the ST153. Now, admittedly, I don't have a whole lot of these top folders like this, so I'm not even exactly sure how to use these. Yeah, that one's gonna take me some practice, but you see there's the flipper. That one feels pretty sharp. This is a little knife. David Chin. It's got the little mouse on there. Let's see this one. This is a much smaller knife. About 2.5 inch overall length. Excuse me, of about 6 inches. There we go. I figured that one out. It's a little bulky for it to be so small. The knife's a bit bulky. I don't know that that's a bad thing, but yeah. All right, let's see what. Here's the last one we got. Here we go. This is an axis lock. I want to see how good their axis lock was. Man, that's a fantastic looking knife. The G10 or micarta. I have to look. Like I said, they're all D2 steel. Oh wow, that action is super smooth. You guys, you've got to check these knives out. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description. The price is just outstanding. Now, we'll have to see what kind of quality and how long they last. As far as the action goes, man, that's got a smooth action. This is a good looking knife. Like I said, they're all D2 steel. Let's get you some measurements here. This one's like 3.5 inches and 8.5 inches total length. We'll have to do a sharpness test, see how sharp they are. But man, that's a good looking knife. Check them out. Sitivien. Let's see. Sitivien. Sitivien. 4 knives and a super great price.